Hi everyone. Today is Wednesday 25th of March. It's the second day of the coronavirus lockdown. I would normally be teaching, but as you can see, the studio is empty and will be for the foreseeable future, which is sad because I do miss my students. Today, however, is a very beautiful day. I've got to collect some wood for the wood burner at home, and I'll bring you along so you can come into the woods. Hopefully I'll get some work done later. I'm working on the illustrations for a book at the moment. Possibly have a look at that. So come with me on the logging, and then I'm going to go to the river to make some watercolours. All the wood collected and shoved into the car. I'm going for a wander down to the river now and do a bit of watercolour. Kingfisher's just gone up. This is a great spot to be. There's a little run down there that I quite like to be chucking a fly out now. Hoping to see otters whilst I've been sitting here. This is otter scat or spraint, so it's well worth being quiet and spending some time by the river here because you're never quite sure what you're going to see. We've seen long-tailed tits, curlew, kingfisher, and an otter came right below us here. Sadly I didn't get him on film, but what a treat, what a wonderful thing to see. I posted some film of the frogs and toads in the last video. I don't really make an apology for posting them again, they're just so delightful. Anyway, here you go. Oh, this is fascinating. This is a female toad with a male on her back, and you can see the long trail of eggs that he's fertilising. They'll sink to the bottom of the pond and lay amongst the vegetation till they hatch. So there we are. I hope you really enjoyed those lovely little creatures, and now just time for a quick look around the garden and back into town. Prunus what?
Kojo no May.
Kojo no May. Covered in bees. This?
That's Mertensia virginica. Only to rise, it starts growing February time, but I think very beautiful.
It is very pretty, isn't it?
And earlier in the spring, the young foliage is also good purple colour. You've got a bit of purple in the leaves now, but early spring it's outstanding. Very important bee plant, Ribes sanguineum.
Ribes sanguineum.
Yeah, and this is the variety white icicle.
Okay.
Normally you think of it as the red flowering currant or pink flowering currant, which is in every suburban garden. Very important for bees.
Well, there he is, just proving your very point. Lovely big bumblebee.
Honeybees as well. Concentration.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Charles. That's been great. See you later. Back into town. Back in town. The evening sunlight is pouring into the gallery. So the gallery is of course closed at the moment. These are difficult times for everyone. It feels really sad in here. You know, there's not been anybody in for, I don't know, well over a week now I suppose. And it comes alive when there are people in it. So I've built myself a little temporary studio here in the back of the gallery. The COVID-19 studio, if you like. And this is where I'm working on the illustrations for the book. I can't tell you what the book's about at the moment. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the thumbs up, maybe subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, stay safe, stay at home, and I'll see you on the other side.